Hey everyone, for today's video, I'll teach you how to add an AI bot to your Snapchat app. With this tutorial, you'll be able to talk to an AI robot and ask it for help. The first step to do is opening your Snapchat. Now that we're here, we're gonna have to go to the Bitmoji or the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. So the ChatGPT of Snapchat or the AI robot is actually only available for Snapchat Plus users. And if we go ahead and click on Snapchat Plus, I'm pretty sure it's $3.99 a month and $39.99 a year. So if you don't want to pay, then just use the normal ChatGPT. But if you already have Snapchat Plus, then it's actually really helpful, I guess. So if you do have it, I'm gonna teach you how to use it. Just go back here to the chat tab and pretend that this is the robot. So it's gonna appear in your chat list and you're gonna open it and just basically ask it for anything, and it's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.